This is how to turn on and turn off your 2FA code on AirTM. Security is very important. It is very good you turn on your two-factor authentication on AirTM to secure your money. Let me show you. I'll be demonstrating with AirTM app. You log into your AirTM app using your detail. It is important you turn on your two-factor authenticator code on AirTM to avoid fraudster and scammer taking over your app and moving your money. The first thing you need to do is to come to your Play Store to download your choice of authenticator. My top recommendation is this, Google Authenticator. You download it on your phone or tablet. If your choice is Google Authenticator, you link it by clicking Get Started to your Google Gmail account. To do that, you click Menu on your app menu. From menu, you click Settings. Tap Settings. You tap this profile. You can see from here you tap Security. From here you can see two-factor authentication and you enable it here. You will have two options. It's either you pick 6-digit string of numbers that you take back to your authenticator's app, the one you just downloaded, or you scan the QR code that will be made available for you and your AirTM app will be enabled automatically for two-factor authentication, and you'll be able to switch this either on or off for login. And also if you want to be using Google Authentication when you are doing your withdrawal or sending money using your AirTM app, ensure you enable these two options so that nobody will be able to log in and nobody will be able to withdraw and send funds away from your AirTM. You can now enable and disable your two-factor authenticator on AirTM. Ensure you implement proper security on your AirTM so as to secure your money. If this video has added value to you, please subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, like this video. You'll be able to get my videos every week. Don't forget to drop your comment. I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.